We've kind of been used to, I guess, volatility, but a rerun of an election, which is only a mayor election in Istanbul, but such a big city, actually means quite a lot for market makers.
There's so much going on with Turkey. I mean, that line chart you just showed, dollar Turkey spot rate, it's actually low vol. It's a straight line, just nicely going higher. But you have to pay 23, 24% overnight carry to hold that position. So it's very expensive to go short Turkey. You have to get your timing right. And right now the politics helps you. So I can't imagine the politics changing until the market forces it to change. So rerunning these elections whilst the Turkish lira continues to devalue means that we're not there yet. So dollar Turkey at 7, maybe that's when things start to say, hey, maybe we need to row back the extreme measures. I think that's where we end up going in dollar Turkey.
Okay, is there a psychological level which actually something changes on lira?
Well, like I said, 7. So next to me all day, I have Anand Demir. He's our Turkey specialist. He covers this in lots of detail. And there's just so much going on. So first of all, there's the NATO versus Turkey and the Russia missile order. There's what's going on in these local elections, of course. But there's also the central bank turning more dovish, and also locals, the dollarization process, converting their Turkish lira deposits into dollars continuously. And the central bank reserves. It's only a few months at the current rate before they're depleted. So it's a lot of negativity on Turkey, and therefore you need something to change. Yeah. And I can't see it happening from the politics. I can't see it happening from what the locals are doing in terms of that dollarization process. It's got to be something like a market reaction, and we're going to get there eventually.
Jordan, let me ask the official question, and this is an important question for all of Nomura. It appears to me that the idiosyncratic nature of this is actually increased over the last 6 weeks. Turkey is more removed from the rest of your world. Is that right?
It is. I mean, when the Turkish devaluation happened last year, I think it was in August, when it really kicked off, around my birthday, actually, we saw euro-yen, so the euro versus the Japanese yen, go lower. And that's because Japanese investors have been highly involved in Turkey. When it comes to buying Turkey, you get a large carry, a rate of return for holding that. It's quite high, given the risks. We're still seeing that sort of correlation, the cross-market correlation, but it's a lot lower. Folks have de-risked and also take into account the risks around Turkey much more. It's less of a surprise now that Turkey's falling in value. So, like you said, Tom, it is its own idiosyncratic story, and it's not moving other markets anywhere near as much as it did last year.